Russian is a well-known manufacturer from Ukraine for producing the finest sweet products with high-quality ingredients. Now, they are expanding their production lines to produce eco-friendly bags. It's our pleasure to assist them with their project and provide following solutions. Just as they ensure high quality in their sweet snacks, they are looking for a supplier that provides high quality equipment. These high-speed blown film machines will be producing biodegradable films with printing. The extruder provides proper melting and mixing without losing their properties of the biodegradable material. To display brand identity, each of them is equipped an inline printing machine to achieve one-color printing. For this, we suggest installing a corona treater to enhance the printing performance. Roshan is not only a successful manufacturer in the sweets industry, but now they produce their own t-shirt bags and flat bags with sustainable materials. With the assistance of our simple, intelligent, and automatic plastic machinery, they can obtain high-quality plastic films in small efforts. If you are also new in the industry, don't worry. You know where to find a good solution.